Once upon a time, in the busy city of Kolkata, there was a bright and curious boy named Narendranath Datta. He was born on January 12, 1863. From childhood, Narendra was very intelligent, fearless, and always eager to learn the truth about life. He often asked a deep question to everyone he met. "Have you seen God?" Many people could not answer him clearly, but one day, Narendra met a great spiritual master, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, at the temple of Dakshineswar Kali Temple. Narendra asked him the same question, "Have you seen God?" Ramakrishna smiled and replied, "Yes, I have seen God just as I see you. I can even show him to you." This answer changed Narendra's life forever. Narendra became a disciple of Ramakrishna and learned about spirituality, kindness, and the unity of all religions. After Ramakrishna's death, Narendra decided to dedicate his life to serving humanity. He became a monk and took a new name, Swami Vivekananda. He traveled all across India. During his journey, he saw poverty, suffering, and ignorance among people. His heart was filled with pain. He wanted to bring change and help people rise. One day, he decided to go to America to represent India and share its spiritual wisdom with the world. In 1893, he reached Chicago to attend the Parliament of the World's Religions, 1893. At first, he faced many difficulties. He had little money and no proper invitation, but his determination was strong. Finally, the day came for him to speak. Swami Vivekananda stood on the stage, wearing a saffron robe and a turban. He looked at the audience and began his speech with powerful words. "Sisters and brothers of America." The audience was amazed by his warmth and respect. They stood up and applauded him for minutes. In his speech, he spoke about peace, tolerance, and unity of all religions. He said that all religions lead to the same truth. His words touched millions of hearts around the world. After this speech, Swami Vivekananda became famous overnight. People admired his wisdom and simplicity. He spent several years in the West, teaching about Indian philosophy and spirituality. Later, he returned to India and inspired the youth to believe in themselves. He gave a powerful message: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. He also founded the Ramakrishna Mission to help the poor, educate people, and serve society. Swami Vivekananda believed that serving people is serving God. He encouraged everyone to be strong, confident, and kind. Even today, he remains a great inspiration for millions, especially young people.